Alright everybody, welcome back. Quick little midweek video here. I had a bunch of people asking for some information about the label printer we use to do the heat shrink labeling when we're doing wiring and stuff on a bike. So just wanted to pop on here and give some more detailed information about it. So that's why we're here. This is not going to be too long of a video. It's a real basic system, but it's something we find to be incredibly useful, and obviously some of you guys think it will be too, so you were asking for some more info, so we're going to go ahead and get you that. Alright, so this is the label printer we use. It's a Dymo, real simple handheld printer. It's a Label Manager 160. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. I believe it's actually on sale from the Amazon deal days. If you actually are watching this the day we publish it today, you can pick it up for like under 30 bucks. I think it's $55 regular price, so, but you know, hey, 20 bucks is 20 bucks. So anyway, it's a really simple unit to use. I mean, I'm not a real tech guy and I can use it. It has tons of adjustments, all kinds of stuff. I keep it really basic. You know, if we're gonna do, you know, headlight, I type in, you know, like a little abbreviation. You hit the print button, it cuts it off for you, and you have a label, if it'll focus, with your abbreviation. So as far as the label maker itself, it does not come with the heat shrink material. I order that separate. Again, I'll put a link down in the description. I pretty much stick with 3/8 diameter heat shrink tubing. It shrinks down nicely on 16 and 18 gauge wire, which is what we use to do all of our wiring. It'll also fit over a 14 gauge if you know, are using something a little bit heavier for a main power feed or something of that sort. This particular printer takes D1 type of I guess you'd call these like a material cartridge or whatever. So again, it's a real simple system. It's all self-contained little cartridge. It has the ink strip and the label material. You open this up, you lift it out, new cartridge in, you close the door, and it'll ask you what size material you have, either 1/4, 3/8, or 1/2 inch on the digital readout. You press OK, and you're ready to print again. Anyway, that's really about it for it. Like I said, I'll put all the links down in the description for all you guys who are asking about this. It's just a really basic, simple setup, but to me it saves you a ton of time and aggravation when you're doing a wiring job, especially if it's a little bit more of a complex wiring job. Alright guys, just a quick interruption in the video here. I want to tell you about how to enter to win. As I said in a couple previous videos, we're going to pop this information in the middle of all of our videos here and there, just to let people know how to enter, and it'll get people to watch the videos, as you got to watch and find where the information is. So it's going to be real simple. You don't have to buy anything, doesn't cost you anything, you just need to send an email. I'm going to try to get the email on the screen here. I'm not a super tech whiz, so we'll see how that goes, but the email address is pretty straightforward. It's gaddysgaragegiveaway@gmail.com. So all you have to do, send one email. In the email, subject line, giveaway, and in the body of the email, your name, address, telephone number. That's it. You don't actually even need to give your whole address if you don't want. Just let's scratch the address. Let's give your name, your city and state, and a contact phone number. We're not going to sell the phone numbers. No one will ever have them but me.
So don't worry about that. You're not going to get sales calls. I hate sales calls as much as everybody else. But we do need a way to get a hold of you if you win. So, again, name, city and state, telephone number. You do need to be a subscriber to the channel to win also. So if you're seeing this and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and then send the information on over. So we look forward to everybody entering, and we're really excited to give away this bike. Now back to the video.
One other thing I wanted to add, this thing does take half a dozen AAA batteries if you order one, and you're not like me who hoards batteries all over the place. Make sure you order a 6-pack of AAA batteries so that when you get it, you can actually use it. It does also have a 9-volt power input if you want to get a power adapter so you can plug it in and skip the batteries. Probably a good idea if, like, at home I would do that, but since we're in the shop here and we're always, you know, working at 50 different locations, for me that was just a little bit more of a pain than it was worth to do that. So I skipped that and we just run the batteries. Alright guys, that's going to do it. Like I said, it's going to be a little quick, simple video. All you guys that were asking, I hope that's the information you were looking for. Obviously, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. Try and help you out there. But like I said, it's about as basic a setup as I was able to find, and works a lot better than masking tape and wrapping around the tapes, which is what I used to do. And just got where that just was not a real efficient way to do it. So we ditched all that, went with this, and this is actually my second setup like this. The first one lasted about 8 or 9 years before it died on us, and it's been dropped a million times and who knows what else. So anyway, I highly recommend it. I make nothing off of this. They don't pay me, no sponsored ad or anything like that. It's just a tool I use that I really like, and I think everybody who does any kind of wiring probably will be happy with one. So that's going to do it. As always, check out the giveaway bike videos. I'll put a little link up here in the corner if you don't know what I'm talking about on that, instead of rambling on it. And I hope to see you next time at Gaddy's Garage.